Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to automate Monday.com with Slack. So go ahead and click on your account on the upper right hand side and click on automation. Now you want to go ahead and search for Slack. You can either scroll down and see if you find it or just simple type in Slack and you should find it here as an integration. So click on that. Here you'll find the different use cases that you can use it for. So I'm going to find and use something basic. When date arrives, notify channel, right? Click on that. I'm going to click on this use case. I'm going to select a board, for example, and then I'm going to connect to my Slack right here. Scroll down, click on allow. Then, of course, click on allow again. And as you can see right here, I need to set up the integration. So when date, for example, you can say whatever, when due date, or you can say whatever. You can basically set the date there. Notify, as you can say notify, I don't know, you can say board name or whatever in channel, and you choose a channel which is from Slack, right? So I'm gonna choose this one, then create the automation. And as you can see right here, this is done, guys. And this is pretty much it. That's how you can easily go ahead and create an automation with Monday.com and Slack. Very easy and very simple.